Good morning, students. Now today's topic is maximum and minimum by using higher order derivative. Okay, already discussed about the by using the first order derivative. Now here higher order derivative. Okay, so what is the now first point is let y equal to f of x be a given function. Any function, find the maximum or minimum of a function. Okay, now here function is given. Now first find f dash x, find the first derivative called f of x given, find the derivative. Now second point, when f dash x equal to 0, then find x. Okay, let us say x equal to alpha, beta, gamma, say. Okay, or alpha, beta, gamma, or there are n points or 2 points. Let us say alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, then or these are called critical point. Critical points. That means at alpha, either the function is maximized or minimized. At beta, either the function is maximized or minimized. Okay. Now, next point is find f double dash x. Okay. First find out f dash x, then again find out the derivative, or this is higher order derivative. Okay. Already discussed about the first order derivative. Now here higher order derivative, that is second order derivative. Okay. Now let us say at x equal to alpha. Let us say x equal to alpha, then beta, then gamma. Okay. Let x equal to alpha, then f dash double dash all alpha either less than 0 or greater than 0 or equal to 0. Okay. So find the f double dash x. Let us x equal to alpha. Substitute x equal to alpha. Then f double dash either less than 0 or greater than 0 or equal to 0. If less than 0, then the function is maximum. Is maximum at x equal to alpha, or global maxima, or the test point. Okay. Now similarly, now greater than 0, then the function is minima at x equal to alpha. If equal to 0, then the function is neither maximum nor minimum, or you can write this is inflection point. Okay. Neither maximum nor minimum, or you can say inflection point. Okay. Now for example, suppose find the maximum and minimum of the function f of x equal to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36 x minus 20. Okay. So find the maximum or minimum of the function. Okay. So first is this is a function is given, any function. This is other function or different function or larger function. Any function is given. Okay. So first find the f dash x. So what is f dash x? Find the f dash x. So what is the derivative of x cube? Now 3x square. 3 into 2, 6x square. What is the derivative of x square? 2x into 21 minus 42x. What is the derivative of x is 1 into 36, so 36. Derivative constant equal 0. Okay. Now take out common 6, take out common here. X square minus 7x plus 6. Okay. Or can write this one. Okay. This one. Okay. Now second one. When f dash x is 0, then find the value of x. Now when f dash x equal to 0. Okay. So that means this is f dash x. Okay. Now that means 6 into x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0, or so x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Now after factorization we get x minus 6 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so x equal to 1 and 6. Now these two are critical points. Okay, now here alpha, beta, gamma. Now here there are two critical points, 1 and 6. There are two critical points, 1 and 6. Let us say this is alpha and this is a beta, let us say. Okay, now then find out second derivative. Okay, so what is the f double dash of x? F double dash of x equal to here 12x minus 42. Okay, derivative of x square equal to 2x into 6, 12x. Derivative of x equal to 1, derivative of constant equal to 0. Now this one. Okay, now at x equal to 1, similarly here at x equal to alpha, then what is the f double dash alpha? Either less than 0 or greater than 0 or equal to 0. Okay, now here alpha equal to, let us say, 1. So what is the f double dash of 1? So 12 minus 42 equal to minus 30 is less than 0. If less than 0, then the function is maximum at x equal to 1. Okay, similarly at x equal to 6. What is the f double dash of 6? So 6 into 12 is 72 minus 42 equal to 30 is greater than 0. If greater than 0, function is minima. So is minima at x equal to 6. Okay. So what is the logic? Find the maximum or global maxima or global minima. Okay. Or local maxima, local minima. So there are two methods. One is by using first derivative. Okay, first derivative, same process up to this one. Less than alpha, greater than alpha. If positive negative is maximum, negative positive is minimum. It does not change positive, neither maximum nor minimum. Okay. Now here use the higher derivative. That means second order derivative. Okay. Now suppose this is neither maxima nor minima, then use the third derivative. So in your plus 3 syllabus. Okay. Now here in plus 2 syllabus only up to second order derivative. Okay. So after this much is same, then find out f double dash x at x equal alpha, beta, gamma. Substitute at alpha, beta, gamma if less than 0, greater than 0 or equal to 0. Okay. Now this is a simple example. Now another example is, now here another examples. Okay. Now here question number 3, let us say, so that f of x equal log x by x has a maximum value at x equal to 0. Now so that the maximum value means, so first find the f dash x equal to 0, then what is x find out. Okay. Then f double dash x find out. At the x equal to e, then f double dash e is less than 0. Okay. Now here f of x given. Now let us say 3. Okay. Now here f of x equal to log x by x. Okay. So what is the derivative of u by v? This is u by v. So v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. This is formula. Okay. Now here f dash x equal to v into v means x into what is the derivative of log x? Is 1 by x minus log x u into derivative of x equal to 1 divided by v square. Okay, x square. Or this part equal to 1 minus log x by x square. This one. Okay. Now, second point is when f dash x equal to 0, when f dash x equal to 0, then what is the x point out? 1 minus log x by x square equal to 0. So 1 minus log x equal to 0 implies log x equal to 1, then x equal to e. Yes, at x equal to e. At x equal to e. Okay. Then next one is what is the f double dash x find out? Now f double dash x equal to, so again this is a u and this is a v. Okay, derivative of u by v into derivative of u, derivative of 1 equal to 0, derivative of log x equal to 1 by x minus 1 by x minus u into 1 minus log x into derivative of v, derivative of x square is 2x by v square. So x is 4. Or minus x minus 2x 1 minus log x by x 4. Now take a common and cancel out. So here minus 1 minus 2 1 minus log x by x cube. Okay. Now this is f double dash x. Okay. Then at x equal to e, what is the f double dash of e? The substitute. Okay. Now here this is f double dash x. So minus 1 minus 2 into 1 minus log e by e cube. What is the log e? Equal to 1. So this is equal to 0. So minus 1 by e square is less e cube. E cube is less than 0. So when less than 0, therefore the function is maximum at x equal to e. Now prove. Okay. Okay. Now second one is now here given f of x you given has a maximum value. Same logic. Maximum value at x equal to pi by 6. Same logic. F of x given. What is the f dash x find out? Then f double dash x is 0. Then what is x find out? Okay. Now here. Okay. Now here f of x, what is our now question number 2. Okay, f dash x. What is the derivative of sin x? Is cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? Is minus sin x minus root 3 sin x. Okay. Now when f dash x equal to 0, so cos x minus root 3 sin x equal to 0. So root 3 sin x equal to cos x implies tan x equal to 1 by root 3. So tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. What is the value of theta? Theta equal to 30. So x equal to pi by 6. Yes, pi by 6. Okay. Next one. What is the f double dash x find out? So f double dash x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x cos x. Now substitute at x equal to pi by 6. Therefore, f double s of pi by 6 minus sin pi by 6 minus root 3 cos pi by 6. Cos sin 30. What is sin 30? Minus half. So half into minus half. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 into root 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So minus 4 by 2 equal to minus 2 is less than 0. So maximum less than 0. Maximum. And yes. Therefore, f of x equal to sin x plus root 3 cos x has maximum at x equal to pi by 6. This one. Okay. Now first one, so second one is over. Okay. Now first one. Now first one here. So here what is the value find out? A and B find out. Now if here f of x is given has extreme value, maximum value at x equal to minus 1 and at x equal to 2. Okay, then find out what is the value of A and B. Now here f of x given. So what is the find out f dash x find out? Now show me f dash x equal to A. What is the derivative of log x? Is 1 by x. Derivative of x square 2x 2bx. Derivative of x is 1. Okay. Now here maximum at x equal to minus 1 and 2. That means here f dash of minus 1 equal to 0. This is a given. So f dash of minus 1 means minus a minus 2b plus 1 equal to 0 implies a plus 2b equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now another is f dash of 2 is also equal to 0. 2 equal to 0 implies 2 means f dash of 2 means a by 2 plus 4b plus 1 equal to 0 implies a plus 8b equal to minus 2. Okay. Now if we solve these two equations, then we get a and b. Now if we subtract these two, let us say minus plus, then minus 6b equal to 3. Yes or no? Yes, 3. Then b equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here substitute b equal to minus 1 by 2. A minus plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 equal to 1. A minus 1 equal to 1 implies a equal to 2. So what is the value of find the a and b? Therefore a equal to 2 and b equal to minus half. Now at this point the function is maximum. Okay. Now verify that. Let us say here that means f of x equal to substitute a equal to 2 log x, b equal to minus 1 by 2 x square plus x. Okay. Now question change हो गया. If f of x of this one, find the maximum or prove that this is maximum value at x equal to minus 1 and 2. Okay. Now what is f dash x? Same logic apply करो. So 2 by x minus 2x by 2 plus 1. So 2 by x minus x plus 1. So f dash x equal to 0. That means so 2 by x minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So 2 minus x square plus x equal to 0 or x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 1. Yes, these two. Okay, then what is the f double x find out? F double x. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square minus 2 by x square. What is the derivative of x? Is 1. Derivative constant equal to 0. Now at x equal to 2, so f double s of 2 equal to minus 2 by 4 minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3 by 2 is less than 0. So maxima at now at x equal to minus 1, f double s of minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 is less than 0. Yes, so verified. So this is another way. So verify that or find the value of at verify so that the function is maximum at minus 1 and 2. Okay. So find the value of a and b. That means this f dash x equal to 0. Then what is the a and b find out? Okay. Now next one is now another two example. Find the maximum and minimum value of the function. Okay. So here f of x is 10x minus 2x. Okay. Now same procedure, maximum minimum find out. Suppose at x equal to alpha is maxima, then substitute here. So this is a maximum value or greatest value. Same logic or local maximum. Or so minimum value means same logic. At x equal alpha minimum, then you substitute this is a minimum value. Okay. Now solution 1. Now your f of x will give 10x minus 2x. Okay. So what is f dash x? F dash x. Derivative of 10x is sec square x. Derivative of x is 1. So 2. Okay. Then now when f dash x equal to 0, then what is the x find out? Now sec square x minus 2 equal to 0. Now sec square x equal to 2. Now sec x equal to root 2. Okay, what is the value of x? Or you can write cos x plus or minus also you can write. Now cos x equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Now there are two values. One is cos x equal to 1 by root 2. Another is cos x equal to minus 1 by root 2. Now 1 by root 2 means x equal to 45 degree. X equal to 5 by 4. Here minus x equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay. Now these two are the critical points. Now at x equal to 5 by 4 is maximum or minimum. Let's substitute here. Now then f double x find out. So derivative of sec square x 2 sec x into derivative of sec x equal to sec x into 10x. Okay. Now derivative constant is 0 or 2 sec square x into 10x. Okay. Now at x equal to pi by 4 substitute. Now f double s of pi by 4. Now 2 sec square pi by 4 into 10 pi by 4. So what is the value of sec 45? Is root 2. The square is 2. 10 45 is 1. Is 4 is greater than 0. So minimum. Okay. So minimum at x equal to pi by 4. Okay. Therefore, minimum value at x equal to pi by 4, f of x equal to 10 pi by 4 minus 2 into pi by 4 equal 10 pi by 1 minus pi by 2. Now this is the minimum value. Okay. Now similarly, another point is 3 by 4, f double dash of 3 by 4. Now 2, now here substitute 2 sec square 3 by 4 into 10 3 by 4. That means 1/3 by 50. Okay. Now here 2 sec 3 by 4 is equal to minus root 2 the square into minus 1. So 2 into 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 4 is less than 0. Less than 0 means maximum or maxima. Therefore, that means maximum value. Therefore, maximum value at x equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, f of x equal to 10 3 by 4. Here minus 1. 3 by 4 minus 5 by 2. This is a maximum value. 3 by 4. Yes, minus 3 by 5. Minus 10 3 by 4 minus 2 into 3 by 4. Okay. So 2. So minus 1 minus 3 by 2. This is answer. This is a minimum and this is a maximum. This is a minimum and this is a maximum. Okay. Now another example is same logic. Now so that the function attains a maximum when x equal to this one. Okay. Now f of x is given. What is the f dash x? Find out. Okay. Now f dash x equal to, now let us say f of x equal to sin the power px into cos power qx. What is f dash x? Now here derivative of u into v. Let us say this is a u and this is a v. U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. This is a product of 2 points. Okay. So u into, what is the derivative of v? Q into q minus 1x into derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. Then plus v into cos power qx into derivative of p minus 1x into cos x. Or we can write minus q sin power p plus 1x or sin power px into sin x cos power q minus 1 into x. Now plus p cos power qx into cos x sin power p minus 1 into x. Now take out a comma sin power p minus 1 x into cos power q minus 1 x, take out a comma. Okay. Now minus q into sin square x plus p into cos square x. Okay. Now when f dash x equal to 0, that means sin power p minus 1x into cos power q minus 1x into minus q sin square x plus p cos square x equal to 0. Okay. Now minus q sin square x plus p cos square x equal to 0 implies, now after simplification we get tan square x equal to p by q. P by q. Now tan x equal to root over p by q or x equal to tan inverse of root over p by q. Okay. Now next find the second derivative. Now substitute is automatically less than 0. Okay. Now we have discussed about the maximum and minimum value of the given function by using second order. Okay. Now next class we have discussed about the another example. Okay. Thank you.